Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Android and iOS games on your Windows PC. Are you ready to explore? Let's get started. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To get Android or iOS games on your PC, all you need to do is to open Microsoft Store on your PC. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, normally it always appears on the taskbar over here. You can see it's on the taskbar here. If you cannot find it there, just search for Microsoft Store. This is it over here. You open it. So on Microsoft Store, you can sign up or you can sign in with your Google account or Microsoft Store account. So after that, but for me, I will not have to sign in again because I'm already signed in. So after that, you're going to search any Android games that you know. So as for me, I love playing Angry Bird games, so I'm just going to search for Angry Bird. So you can check out my gaming channel, link in the description below. After that, I'm going to search. So guys, after searching, you're going to see different. You can see Angry Bird Friends. You can see Angry Birds 2. This is the one I play, as you can see. So if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of games like Candy Crush Saga, Candy Crush Soda. You can see a lot of them. Bubble Blast. You can see all of this. See Minecraft for Windows. So if you want to have the better experience, it's better to download these Android games or iOS games on your PC so that you have a good view. So this is it. If I want to install it, I'll just tap on it to open it, and here is it over here. You just click on get, and if you click on get, it's going to start downloading. As you can see, this is the game. So I'm just going to tap on get. All right. So if you want another game like, let's say, Call of Duty, so let's search for Call of Duty. Okay, this is Call of Duty Black Ops 6. This is Black Ops, okay, Vault Edition. So you can see different Call of Duty here. And unfortunately, it's paid for PC. It is paid, but you can see this Call of Duty Warzone. This one is free. This one is Striker Zone War Action Shooter. Okay, this is Modern Combat 5. These are other free games, iOS or Android games you can get on your PC. This is another one. This is Standard Edition. So if you have the money to put in this, you can also order this. But this is a free one. Just click on it. Let's see if it's a real Call of Duty. It says Warzone. Okay. Okay. So that's it. I think the real thing is the paid one, but you can also try this one out. I guess this is also the real Call of Duty. This is Warzone. So that's it, guys. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.